You ever wish you lived in a castle? And maybe the castle's on a hilltop, overlooking a lake, surrounded by mountains. Wait, I just described Hogwarts. Speaking of Hogwarts, you remember the windows? I want that, so let's make some. The ultimate goal with this project is to make my craft space a little more whimsical and cozy. Eventually, I plan to decorate this room to look like a cottage, tavern, wizard dungeon. So here's the plan. We're going to start with a wood frame. My idea for the crisscross sections is to use spline. Spline is something that is used in windows to screen them in or on screened-in porches. So the first window is complete. Some mistakes were made. Working with any type of glue is usually messy, especially on plexiglass, I have learned. Thus, for this second window, I have changed my methods. Instead of doing a single strip of spline all the way across, I'm going to do it in sections, so let's see how this goes. Since plexiglass is clear, like regular glass, and since I don't want to see the window grids that are on the actual window, I have opted to use frosted window film. But because plexiglass is plastic, the window film will not stick to it, unfortunately. But that's okay, because I decided to use Velcro, which is great because it allows me to be able to take off that window film and replace it with other things like other window film that may be colored or have a stained glass look about it. So the last step is to install something called screw eyes. I'm going to use these along with hooks that will allow me to be able to hang the window over the existing window. And once again, if you don't have a drill, but need a pre-drilled hole, no worries. Just use a hammer and a thumbtack. And there you have it. Instant magic. The room feels so much more cozy now. Despite my mistakes that I've made, I am still very pleased with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.